Hi YouTube family, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to deposit and withdraw using Binance Pay, and that is on Quotex, okay, Quotex.com. So if it's your very first time, you're most welcome. My name is Martha Kememe. You're watching Atutaka Solutions. On this channel we do tech, business and investment tips. If this is what interests you, kindly subscribe and turn on that bell notification so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. Okay, so I was just going through my notifications, and then you right away just have to go to deposit, and when you click on that, they'll show you the many other deposit methods. So you want to click on that. On my first one, it's Binance Pay. The first one, I'm using my phone. Okay, if you're using your PC or tab or something, still pretty the same method, the same display. Okay, not display, it could be a different display, the same stuff, the same information. And then the minimum of this is 10. Okay, 10 deposit, 10 withdraw. You can deposit minimum of $10 and withdraw minimum of $10. Somebody requested me to show a video showing like how you do that. You just have to use a payment a Binance payment method. Okay, so I'm just putting in how much did I deposit? 20. Yeah, I do these videos for illustration purposes. I'm not a financial advisor. Please seek financial advice from an authentic financial advisor. Okay, and then yeah, so I just do these videos for education purposes only. Yes, the most important thing about this is you need to know your Binance Pay code, guys. If you forgot it, you click on I've forgotten my ID, my payment ID code, my Binance Pay code, and then they will send you another one. Okay, you follow the process. That is just to help in like for security purposes. Like if someone just has your email, it doesn't give them guarantee that they will open your Binance and stuff like that, or rather they will deposit and withdraw money from your Binance account. They must have the code. Okay, yeah, and basically that's it. You just put in the registration stuff, Smaha, the login pin that they send for you on your email. You copy that, with a smartphone, just copy and then go back and paste. Okay, somebody was asking me if whenever I go to that code, this just copy and paste. Okay, it's easy for you. Yeah, and then so that is for security verification. What else was I gonna say? Oh yes, you see here you can have your BTC and USDT or something else, some other coins, as long as the total amounts to 10 US dollars. Okay, because that's the minimum. And then you just have to enter your pay pin, guys. As I told you, if you've forgotten this pin, it's not going to be possible for you to withdraw or to deposit. And if you've forgotten, you can click on forgot. Then they give you another other options, okay, on how to get a new one. It's very easy, guys. Okay, so this method is real quick. Like the success is just in seconds, a couple of seconds, and everything is done. Even when it comes to withdraw, just in a couple of seconds, right? A few minutes, the money is on your Binance Pay, is on your Binance account. Okay, as you can see, it's already here, it's deposited here. It's reflecting immediately. And now the next step is to withdraw. Okay, so you go to the dashboard and then click on withdraw, and then after that it will show you. Okay, I just had to make a few trades. All right, so with the Quotex, you can withdraw everything. Again, somebody asked if if Quotex charges you like a certain amount. No, it doesn't charge. Maybe they will charge you on the other end, maybe on your Binance or wherever you're taking the funds or wherever you requested for withdraw. But here it's free commission. I mean zero commission. Okay, so you put in your email and everything. The same method. the same method we used to deposit, it's the same method we used to withdraw, and it's so easy, guys. So again, I'm looking for my sign-in code, authentication code from Quotex. Why was I signing in again? Oh, okay. So they send you again the code, right? So please enter the PIN code, and then after that, your request to be successful. And then, as I said, a few minutes, that money will be reflected on your withdraw end. And then here still on Quotex, it will show that it has been deducted. As you can see, withdraw request that has been, it's being processed. Okay, and that's it, guys. Done. Simple, clear, precise. I hope this video is helpful. I hope you find it helpful. Give it a like or a thumbs up. All right, let me know what you think in the comment section. Any of your questions, I'll try to answer them if I am acquainted with them. Bye. See you in the next one.